guys for being here, and I have to first of all thank Varun because his film is doing exceedingly well, and so congratulations on the success of Dishum. And Varun is, I mean, it would be a cliche to say Varun is family, but I have known Varun ever since he was an assistant director, and so I have all the right to bully him. He was assistant on My Name is Khan, and you were what, fourth assistant?
Seventh.
He was seventh assistant on My Name is Khan, so I'm allowed to bully him as much as I want. But the first time I saw Varun dance was to Radha on the dance floor at YRF studio, and there was no trace of nervousness at all. Of course, he kept fluffing his lines, but when the take happened, he was fantastic. And despite Farah screaming and all of that, Varun was, you knew that a star was born. So also the good thing is he carries his stardom very casually and lightly. He knows he's a bona fide star, but he is completely real and sweet about it. So if that alarm can go off for a minute.
It's an ambulance.
I thought it was an alarm. So over to Varun to talk about his association with Filmfare.
Hello. It feels amazing sharing this dais with Jitesh Pillai, who's a 20-year veteran in the field of journalism. No, it feels amazing. The first cover, जो पहला cover था मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में किया था, that's been for Filmfare. And I don't do too many photo shoots because I'm very restless. But whenever I get the opportunity to shoot for Filmfare, this sound effect. This is a real alarm. This is a real alarm. कुछ चोरी होने वाली है भाई स्टोर में, कुछ देख लो. हो गई है चोरी. Nice. So whenever I get the opportunity to like come on the cover of Filmfare, it always feels special, and I think Anu always orchestrates it, and she makes it special. Jitesh, and Jitesh actually always tells me, "Will you do? You're too pricey. You're too busy to do a cover for Filmfare." But Anu, I think, is the sweetheart.
So this is his first, I think, cover in 1.5 years. Yeah. It's too busy. I don't think he did a cover during Badlapur also. So shall we launch
please.
the cover?
I think the year four we should start.
May I also ask you, as the festive season is coming near, which gadget would you like to buy from this store for your loved ones?
Which gadget would you buy?
As a matter of fact, I just purchased a TV from the store about 3 months back. We were just, so I bought one TV from here.
I think now that I'm here and you all are saying it's gadget season, you all should gift me something. Which gadget? Which gadget give me today? He's saying this one. So I'm going to go home with this mic today, I think. But कुछ तो दे दो यार, इधर आए तो एक कुछ पेन वेन या कुछ तो दे दो हमें. आए तो कुछ लेके जाएंगे. Crime Master go. No, I think gadget. I think I get an anklet bracelet with a tracker system for Jitesh.
Also, Varun, can you please tell us what do you really think about Reliance Digital as a store?
It's wonderful. अभी हम लोग अहमदाबाद में था. अहमदाबाद में थे. जलसा माँ में कर रहा था उधर. बहुत मजा आया मुझे. And we went to the Reliance store over there, and it's spectacular. I think you get everything over here. I have a very close relationship with Reliance, involved with them in the ISL as well. So it feels really nice to be here. I think it's a wonderful, wonderful store and a lovely setup. And I'm glad that we could do this over here, Jitesh. Come, so now we'll just start with.
Let's do the unveiling of the Filmfare cover.
Senior आए.
I now request all the media to come ahead for a group media bite with Varun. May I also request the media to...
One moment.
I
Before
think-
that, we'll take a few questions from the audience. And let me ask him the first question. So, do you feel like, say, in the time of social media, box office sales and how does it affect? But everybody's on Twitter and it's a huge multiplex phenomena. So, how does it affect a movie's performance?
I think box office definitely kind of forms a perception whether a film is good or bad. But in the smaller centers, the B and C centers, over there, I don't think so. Twitter will have that big an impact than like how it will have in a city like Bombay. I think what social media does is if suppose a reviewer or a journalist writes a review, so that spreads very fast through the internet. That it's very good. But eventually nothing works more than the word of mouth, I think, of people. And that is also something which social media can spread really fast. But eventually जब लोग theater जाते हैं, picture देखते हैं, what they feel. I mean, I've seen that in Dishum right now because Friday we started at a certain amount because we were hit by rains on all 3 days. But besides the rains, every day we've seen the film climb, and that's only because of what people have seen in the theater. Though surprisingly, we actually got really good critical reviews as well.
Are you personally happy about social media? Do you feel it's like a platform where you can clarify, every time there's a controversy or whatever?
Honestly, I enjoyed social media more when I was in college, when I was in Nottingham and Facebook had just started. I was on the peak of enjoying social media at that time. And it was more exciting for me that time. Now it's fun when there's something like recently at the Kapil Sharma show, I did that Tahir Shah thing. So, I mean, doing something like that, and when that breaks on social media, then there's fun. I mean, the fun things are fun, but there are some not so fun things. So, it's part and parcel, I think, of the game.
But you're largely safe.
Yeah, I don't, I'm largely pretty safe. I don't think so people hate on me that much. I mean, you hate on everyone. At the end of the day, everyone gets abused on social media, once at least. You're not popular if you don't get abused on social media.
Okay, I'll throw open the floor to the others. Please identify the media here and one question each. Each of you will get your time and opportunity, but please identify yourself.
Varun Sonup from Indian Express. Why was the ending of Dishum abrupt? What happened to Akshay Khanna? Did you guys kill him, or was he handed over to the Indian authorities, or did he escape so that we get to see a sequel of Dishum?
See, we again, you Akshay Khanna ka naam liya aur alarm baj gaya. We purposely kept the ending kind of open-ended in that flow because we didn't want to give away what exactly would happen. But according to the law, obviously he would be taken in by the Indian authorities and then prosecuted according to that. He might have been tried for murder as well in Abu Dhabi in the Middle East because he did kill someone as well, we showed in a scene. But we wanted to leave it little open-ended because if a sequel is on the cards or no, that we'll know soon enough.
Also, why does Pakistan get touchy every time we have a slight reference to them in their film?
I don't know, yeah. I wish I also knew this. I wish I could solve it because this is something that really upsets me as well because I've been talking to when my grandmother was alive, she would talk to me about this and would say that I hope this issue gets solved. My parents talk about it. I hope it doesn't come to the stage where I'm talking to my children and we don't solve it. The reason why it upsets me is because I don't feel Dishum is a film that needed to be banned in Pakistan because it's a very clean film and in fact the man who is from Pakistan, he helps us solve the case. We've shown him as in a good light, not in a bad light, and I am lost for answers. And I know so many people who want to watch it, in fact, so that's what's sad.
Also, one more thing. On a lighter note, how was it being called "You're My Boy" by Akshay Kumar?
That was pretty cool, actually. That whole scene was improvised. That bit in the scene is improvised. It's not written in the script. And I think Aki is just amazing at what he does, and he's totally rocked that scene. He's the way he's played Samir Ghazi in the film. That's become one of the highlights. And I think having Akshay Kumar play a role like that and pull it off is, I think, a great thing. And it's amazing. I got to share that moment with Akshay. I mean, I've grown up seeing him in so many comedies, so many films, but having to do a scene with him. And I know he does something, and he has that style of saying, "Hey, tu aana beta, aana. Hey, ye thusle." So I've seen these things, but he was doing it with me. So I was doing the scene also with him, but I was excited about it as well at the same time.
Varun on his center.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. First of all, many congratulations for the super success of Dushum.
Thank you.
My question is, nowadays we are seeing that Bollywood is going more towards Hollywood. मतलब actress है, actor है, they are going towards Hollywood. So do you think that Hollywood is the only benchmark for Bollywood left now?
That actually, that's a bit sad. Earlier last year, I think during Dilwale, I had made a comparison in a joke, which some people took seriously for some reason, and I said it sarcastically, and some people thought I was serious, and it became a thing. But I don't think it should be a benchmark. Yeah, it's a wrong thing. We are Indian. We have our own culture. We have our own standard. Obviously, there are so many things they do better than us, but there are a lot of things I feel we do better than them as well. So we have our own style, technology-wise and VFX-wise, they are quite ahead, and we should get inspired. But I don't think we need to ape them. We have our own storytelling methods and styles and stuff. And where song and dance is concerned, that is part of Indian culture, part of Indian movies, and I believe that should stay.
Okay, on the same note, on one hand we have Priyanka Chopra who's doing very well on in Western, but still there are some top popular Bollywood actors who agreed to do a blink and miss role. So what's your take on that?
I think Jitesh should answer this.
Yeah, you should also answer.
He should definitely answer this. No, because for that matter, because he's seen more stars come and go than anyone has. So, what do you say about? Do you think Indian actors should do blink and miss roles in Hollywood films, or keep their stardom intact in India?
Ask him if he wants me to answer this question.
No, I'm sure I want to know what you feel.
See, it's not a new phenomena. Everybody, I mean, Dilip Kumar was offered, if I'm not mistaken, Lawrence of Arabia, and it's not a new phenomenon. Persis Khambata did Star Trek 30 years ago. If you
Amrish Puri had done.
Amrish Puri much later in the 80s, Indiana Jones. I mean, so it's not anything new. But yes, it's interesting that people like Priyanka Chopra and Deepika Padukone are doing full-fledged leading roles than just being tokens. You know, okay, they have a brown man or a brown woman in the film. So it's huge that Indian actors are being, I mean, if you see even Shabana Azmi and Om Puri when they did City of Joy, there was actually, it revolved around them. You know, so it's not a new phenomenon. It's been going on for over 40 years, and more power if our actors, and I really think whether it's a Mr. Bachchan or whether it's Shah Rukh Khan or whether it's any of our actors, each of them have so much potential to sort of really rule the world. But yes, actors should choose movies with caution. I'm not so sure if you're happy with my answer and you want Varun to answer it.
No, your answer is valuable, but I need.
No, your
Varun
answer is
also.
perfect.
Yeah.
I think if an actor is really big over here, then somewhere we have a responsibility to our fans over here. So we should do films where we could impact that film more, and the role has more meat as a performer over there. And I think Priyanka and Deepika are really big, brilliant actresses, good actors. And they're doing us proud. That's all I can say.
Okay, one last question, Varun. What's the obsession with the Oscars? Matlab, first of all, are you obsessed with Oscar? And what's the obsession? What's your take on the obsession with Oscars?
No, I'm not really obsessed with Oscars. I mean, I've watched it. I've seen it because they do their shows really well, so they make entertaining to watch. But I'm not really very obsessed with the Oscars, and I really don't like it when people say that Filmfare is the Indian Oscars. I don't think it's needed, and Filmfare doesn't have any affiliation with the Oscars. Filmfare is the Filmfare of India, and that's the standard that we should lay. And I've been actually, where awards are concerned, I always have this discussion with Jitesh always, that that how now, and he always tells me now with the junior generation, he hopes that all the new actors should come out and support each other, even if they're not nominated in categories, they should be there. And I actually agree with him. If we want to have a change, then that's the way. We have to come and give respect to all the fellow actors. And I'll say I've not done it always, but I think we should start doing this. That would be a good change.
Hi Varun, Rahman is here from BOC.
Hi, how are you?
Varun, if you get a chance to work in a movie like Dostana, which genre will you do that?
I would do it. I mean, I'm not worried about it. Maybe I would look a little small. I don't know. He's a little. Yeah, I mean, he'd play like my older lover. I don't know. I mean, I'm cool too. I think Dostana was a great film. It was a good film. It was a cool film. I liked watching it as well. if they make another Dostana, maybe if Karan Johar decides to offer me, I'll definitely think about it.
वरुण कमल here from E24.
Hi, Kamal, how are you?
Good. पोस्टर में जैसा देखा है कि 3 बार हॉट लिखा है. What?
Sorry,
3 बार हॉट मतलब 3 हॉट हॉट
हाँ,
हॉट.
3 बार लिखा है इन्होंने.
हाँ. तो वो कौन सा हॉट कॉम्प्लीमेंट आपको मिला है अब तक और किसी ने कहा है आपको हॉट अभी तक फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में?
फिल्म फेयर ने कहा है अभी 3 बार.
उसके अलावा
उसके अलावा हाँ कभी कभी कहते हैं लोग.
कौन है?
और मतलब जॉन है वो. नहीं पता नहीं है काफी लोग. टेल देम कौन है जितेश?
All his heroines find him hot. All the girls find him hot. Few guys also find him hot. Everybody finds him hot. So and he's just being modest. From college, he was called. He was spending 2 hours in the gym and building his body and all. He has been called hot by everybody. He's just being very modest.
दूसरा सवाल ये है कि बद्रीनाथ के लिए नया लुक है वरुण आपका?
हाँ जी.
बद्रीनाथ दुल्हनिया ले उसके लिए नया लुक है.
टाइटल चेंज.
सॉरी
बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया के लिए.
बद्रीनाथ के दुल्हनिया के लिए ये नया लुक.
बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया.
बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया के लिए नया लुक है आपका?
हाँ जी एक नया लुक है उसमें. इनफैक्ट आई वॉज इन दैट लुक बट जब व्हेन आई केम फॉर डिशुम प्रमोशंस वो थोड़ा चेंज कर दिया बिकॉज आई डिडंट वांट दैट टू गेट रिवील्ड. बहुत डिस्टिंक्ट कैरेक्टर है पर बहुत वक्त है उसके लिए. होली के पीरियड में रिलीज होगी वो फिल्म अगले साल. जुड़वा 2 there's still time. Next year beginning we should start. I'll finish Badrinath before that. अभी तक I can't say much right now about it but yeah but there'll be 2 very distinct looks.
Varun,
between
how
the
much
characters.
happy you are because Dhishum की कॉपी लीक नहीं हुई और दूसरी सारी फिल्मों की कॉपी लीक हुई है?
I am very very happy with that कि कॉपी लीक नहीं हुई है बट मैं ज़्यादा कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहता क्योंकि अभी फिल्म रिलीज हो गई है. सो इट्स द पायरेसी जो होता है मतलब व्हाट्सएप पे लोग भेजने लगते हैं फिल्म एंड दिस एंड दैट. इट गेट्स टेक्नोलॉजी इतना फास्ट हो गया. सोशल मीडिया जैसे इन्होंने पहले क्वेश्चन पूछा था. सो आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विद द फैक्ट कि जब लोग पिक्चरें लीक करने के लिए सोशल मीडिया यूज़ करती है. आई थिंक इज़ द वर्स्ट थिंग एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर गोइंग ऑन ट्विटर एंड राइटिंग दिस इज द लिंक ये है टॉरेंट. So we've managed to block it till now and hopefully and Dishum is a big film watch. You have to go to the theater to enjoy the helicopter sequence and the other type of action sequences. You have to be in the theater.
Okay, I have time for one last question. One last question. I think they want to comment.
सुमित आप क्यों शर्मा रहे हो इतना? आज ही मिला था मैं सुमित जी से. बोलिए सर. आप जितेश जी से मिले पहले? You met them? अच्छा जानते हैं. हेलो. He give them a mic. Give him a mic. माइक हाँ सुमित जी आपके लिए नया माइक.
जितेश बिलेटेड हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
Oh, thank you.
बड़ा स्टार पावर था आपकी पार्टी में.
Thank you so much.
मुझे क्यों नहीं बुलाया आपने?
It was a surprise party. I was not aware. I was in my jeans
But
and
when you
shirt.
saw the media outside, was
No,
it-
when I entered, there was no media.
What lies?
I swear, ask him. There was no media when I entered.
No, but I think it was a very well planned party. Again, I think Anu and team did that, and Rahul, everyone उनको credit जाता है इसके लिए. But बहुत star-studded party थी, बहुत controversial party थी जितेश जी.
Yeah, but now this is about Dishum and this is about Varun Dhawan. So he's the man of the moment. You should be asking him questions.
One, two things we
about-
don't mind hearing about your party.
It was fab. It was
जितेश
fab.
एक दो वर्ड्स अपनी पार्टी के बारे
So
में.
we Varun couldn't come for the party because he was in Indore and we missed him a lot. Otherwise he would have got up on the table and
What?
danced.
Who danced on the table?
Lots of people danced.
Yeah, and what else happened?
No comments. It was very good. Very good.
Okay.
So it was fab. Thank you so much.
Okay, Varun,
हाँ जी.
would like to thank you also कि like you have been graceful at certain times we are always taking advantage of you like in terms of like getting photographs and everything, but you also wait for us, oblige us being by your grace for your time. So thank you for
ये आप
today.
आज इसलिए बोल रहे क्योंकि आप लेट हो गए थे.
जी.
नहीं, no, actually I really admire that it's raining. हम सब जानते हैं, हम सब मुंबई से है, but बारिश के मौसम में दिक्कत तो होती है पहुंचने में. But I think जो असली मुंबई कर रहे हैं वो कुछ भी करके इधर उधर आके पहुंच ही जाता है. कुछ हम लोग को we are used to the rain, but it is problematic with the potholes. I'm going to say it. It's not easy. But thank you guys for always making the time honestly. And जहाँ भी अभी I think last 2-3 दिन में आज event हुआ था एक रुस्तम का हुआ था वो भी टाइम पे पहुंच जाते हैं टाइम के पहले पहुंच जाते हैं एक्चुअली पहले पहुंच जाते हैं ना
Varun, I'm just asking you, like when the lady who was who's the anchor MC for the day she was telling us the Filmfare has also gossips and everything. So are you okay with the gossips, blind items, guess who, don't sue, and
Yeah, I think I'm cool with it. Yeah, at the end of the day, see, I haven't. In fact, आज ही on social media we released an interview where I asked Jitesh some questions. We turned that around. So I've been very cool. I don't think Filmfare ever kind of crosses a certain line, even if there is gossip. It's done in a sanitized manner that it doesn't hurt anyone in that sense. I think कभी-कभार जब बहुत ज़्यादा fake gossip होता है. Then you become little bit like that. But I feel as an industry we are very close, yeah. At least Bombay में जो industry है बहुत close है. We all know each other. So कोई कुछ गलत या कोई कुछ controversial कर रहा है तो सबको पता है.
What's the weirdest gossip you've heard about yourself? Guess who, don't sue.
That I have a son somewhere, someone I did once. Yeah, but they were writing something. No, when Rohit got married, people thought that I was getting married. And they got me married and then they said expecting some child and all that stuff. So I was like, what's happening? Yeah, actually, has there been any gossip about me? It's been pretty much true, everything.
I know, but
Huh?
no idea.
जितेश पर वरुण आपको ऐसा नहीं कई बार जैसे रात को मनोज या फिर विनोद आपका पीछा करते हैं
मनोज, क्या बात है
और विनोद आपका पीछा करते हैं क्योंकि कई स्टार्स को अच्छा नहीं लगता कि
मुझे नहीं वो पीछा नहीं करते मेरा वो मैं अभी ऐसा मेरा रिलेशनशिप हो गया अगर मैं किसी ऑकवर्ड सिचुएशन में हूँ वो लोग फोटो भी नहीं खींचते आई हैव टू गिव इट टू देम और नॉट ओनली देम बट आई थिंक जो जितनी भी फोटोग्राफर फ्रेटर्निटी है देयर इज अ बाउंड्री विच दे मेंटेन देमसेल्व्स फॉर श्योर and they are part of our industry and they are part of the media and I think they are part of our family and that's the way it is.
Okay, एक चीज़ और पूछनी वो आपका जो इंटरनेशनल टूर है उसके बारे में कुछ बता दीजिए आप लोग रिहर्सल्स कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे भी किसी की फ़ोटो खिंच गई थी
ड्रीम टीम की बहुत जोरों शोरों से रिहर्सल चल रही है आई थिंक कटरीना सिद्धार्थ आलिया आदित्य परिणीति दे ऑल आर रिहर्सिंग वे मोर देन मी बिकॉज मुझे वक्त नहीं मिला है मेरी रिहर्सल अभी से शुरू होगी क्योंकि अभी ये 8 दिन आई रिहर्स क्वाइट अ बिट एंड इट्स अमेजिंग वी आर गेटिंग टू डू ऑल द सॉन्ग्स वी लव ओवर देयर फॉर द ऑडियंस इन अमेरिका क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा NRI फ्रेटर्निटी है उधर and we can perform all the hit songs over there and we are coming to America guys so get ready and America what songs तो मैं perform कर रहा हूँ अभी हाल ही में 100 तरह के में बहुत बड़ा hit हुआ है so I'm performing to that Pariniti Chopra is going to be performing to Jaane Mana over there as well we are also doing we are doing a dharma act which in which Karan Johar is also going to dance on Shava Shava we are going to do a full thing with him I'm doing a song on Kuch Kuch Hota Hai with Alia and Pariniti. So we'll recreate that. And one thing which I'm really looking forward to is there might be a dance-off or some jugalbandi, something with Katrina Kaif and me. So that'll be pretty cool.
Okay, I just thank Jitesh. Jitesh, have a wonderful year. I know you're restless like for the last photo ops. And Varun, thank you so much
Thank
for
you so
your
much.
grace. And
Thank you.
just because I just saw a small little girl who
Where
is
is
with,
she?
like she just wanted to get your photographs. I don't I know
would
her,
love
but I
to
just
if
saw her.
she's over here.
पता नहीं कहीं होगी वो.
Come.
So she just wanted to.
Hi, how are you? Come. Hi, how are you? What's your name?
Grishma.
Reshma?
Yeah.
Grishma? Wow. Very pretty name you have. How old are you, Grishma?
5.
You're very big.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much for the Filmfare team and the Mozart also. Thank you so much.
I would like to thank our partner Reliance Digital for this lovely evening. May we start with the photo op now.